What is going on, traders? I hope you guys crushed it today. Myself in the Discord definitely did, guys. All we did is play the game plan. I'm going to be going by step, which trades I took today, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. Before we get into today's video, guys, the Discord right now has a free 5-day offer. If you guys would like to be a part of the Discord, want to try it out, link is in the bio. Let's get into it. So, first things first, guys. If you were a part of the morning live stream this morning, I gave out a couple key levels, guys. The first key level I gave you guys was 470.73. This was the previous support of yesterday, so we marked this level down. The next level I gave you guys was this buy zone. This was the zone I said I was looking for calls between 470 and 469.42. First things first, to start the day off, guys, I ended up shorting literally this candle right here. This was a phenomenal trade, guys. This put me extremely green on the day. The first trade of the day, as soon as we came up to our key level, 470.73. I'm going to tell you why I took this trade. It was a previous support. We gap down. We come back up to retest a previous support, intending it's going to be a resistance, and that's exactly what happened. We hit the puts here, and this printed. Everyone printed, guys. This was a money play, and we hit another banger play. Dimitri and myself ended up getting calls at the bottom of the day, or of the morning, sorry. And the reason why, I told everyone in the pre-market live stream, as well as the Discord live stream this morning, on big news days like this, before the news comes out, if there's a big move in either direction, up or down, it will reverse before the news. This is what gave me confidence to enter this trade. Dimitri was on board with this. I was on board with this. Gundy was on board with this. Options Doctor. We were all had the same idea, guys. We ended up buying and alerting calls at the low of the day today. The absolute low of the morning, sorry. Rip this up. The next play I ended up getting, guys, 470.73. The previous resistance, I wasn't on my computer for this trade, but this was a banger trade. The next trade, my final trade, the home run, the 4-figure home run play, guys, was a 200 EMA. If you've seen the reels going around from my YouTube videos, from the podcast, guys, and you've been watching my videos, I told everyone the 200 EMA on the 5-minute, we call that the free money line. We ripped through all 3 key levels. We hit the 4th key level. What happened? Everyone's like, oh, SPY's going to moon. It's going to go. What do? I lured puts at literally the exact high of the day. And this is why I was able to make over 4 figures on the day in just 3 trades. And all I was doing is playing key levels. Options Doctor and Dimitri ended up hitting calls again at the buy zone. Once we came back down to the buy zone, it acted as a support. 1 wick closed above our key level. 2 wick closed above. 3 wick closed above it. Look what happened, guys. That's why we started running. This was the buy zone. This is the reason why we were rejecting and we were bouncing, because they were major key levels. They were major supports and resistances that SPY has shown us in the past history. So moving forward to tomorrow, we did have a gap on the chart, guys, at 468.26. This was a gap. It has filled and is currently having something called a gap close reversal. So we came down and filled the low gap on the chart, and we immediately bounced. Where do we go tomorrow? I think we're setting up to be a little bit bearish, guys. The daily candle right now isn't the most bullish thing. So what I'm thinking is the level that I want to hit for calls, potential calls, okay? As long as we're hitting this during trading hours, I'm not talking about a big gap down, but if we open range bound, I'm going to be giving you the plays right now. So I have a major key level at 467.38. Please add this to your chart, and you'll put this on the daily, put this on the 30-minute. You'll see exactly why 467.38 is a key level. Dimitri and myself, and Options Doctor, we are on board to be hitting calls at this level. We are going to go very safe. We're not going to be doing same days. Very safe calls. This is the big key level that I am waiting for. After that, guys, it's going to be simple, okay? The previous resistance and support of the day was 469.42. Where was the other most touch points on the chart? Just take a look. Where is the most touch points? We have two, 470.50 and 470.73. The chart is telling you right now, look at the rejection wicks. Look at the rejection wicks on all the levels, okay? Even in the pre-market. These two levels, as well as 469.42. If I see the gap, the previous gap, guys, this gap is filled. I'm going to change the color and I'm going to make it a regular line. If we reject 468.26, it's going to be free money puts all the way to 467.38. In my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for educational use only. But this is exactly what I'm going to be doing. So put a line, 468.26, previous gap, guys. 467.38 is the ideal entry for calls for small accounts and cash accounts. Again, we don't know how big of a move this is going to be, so we sell the move, guys. You buy where you're supposed to buy, and you are selling the move. You're not hoping for a market crash if you're in puts, and you're not hoping for a massive bull rally if you're in calls. You just sell the move, and then you play the next key level. Sell the move, next key level. This is all myself and the Discord do, guys, because from my experience in the past, when I was being an actual day trader and holding for the day and swing trading, it was way too much emotion, and it was way too stressful. So I take the stress out of it. I'm a day trader. I'm a scalper. I'm in, I'm out. I know where I'm buying. I know where I'm taking profit, and I know where I'm selling. And if you follow those fundamental rules, guys, exactly what I do, the way I trade, you will be successful, because at the end of the day, I've been doing this for multiple years, guys. I am a successful, profitable trader, and I do know what I am doing. There's a lot of people out there who have different strategies. It all depends on which strategy works best for yourself. This and the Discord, for me personally, this is the way I like to trade. So those are the key levels for tomorrow, guys. I will update you at 9 a.m. Eastern time. Remember, I go live Monday to Friday, 9 a.m., guys. I will give you my pre-market update as well as the upcoming game plan for the rest of the day. Depending if we gap up or down, I'm going to be setting you guys up with the best levels, no matter what. The best setups at the best prices I am going to give you tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Make sure you guys are there. Thank you guys for your support. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care, guys.